Hello everyone and welcome to day 5 of learning Web3 with me. In the previous video, we made an election smart contract and we wrote test file for it so that we don't have to write those console commands again and again. Today, what we are making is pretty interesting. Okay, so today we made our own token. Okay, you must have heard about the Dogecoin or Bitcoin Pro and Ethereum. So these are basically just tokens on a blockchain. Okay, so you can also make your own token using some technologies for the particular blockchain. So like if you wanna make your own token and deploy it on the Ethereum blockchain, then you can use ERC-20 to make your own token. Okay, so yeah, let me first show you what I made today. There's some front end also in today's video. Yeah, let's take together. Here my camera. Okay, let's show you how this works here. It is the front end basically. It's the token dashboard. Very simple front end. I made it using ChatGPT. Okay. Now he says the wallet is disconnected. If I press this button, it will automatically connect the wallet that I have currently in my MetaMask account. I hope you know what it is. MetaMask is basically a crypto wallet which lets you store your cryptocurrencies, tokens. Okay, there's some amazing sound of birds. Okay, I got distracted. So yeah, it lets you swap tokens, send tokens like currencies to someone or receive from someone. So yeah, you should have it if you are learning the Web3. Okay, now it says ki, okay, this is my account. This is my public address. Yeah, this is the same address that we have here. Okay, so yeah, it is connected and this is the token that I made. Okay, it's called my token. Pretty simple. MTK is a symbol. So like the Bitcoin has BTC and Ethereum has ETH. So yeah, that's my symbol. And the total supply, current supply of it is this much. Okay. Now, or you can say the liquidity of it. Okay. Now this is my wallet, and which is this. If and the current balance of it is 0. Now what balance we are talking about? How many amount of tokens that we have made is in this wallet. Okay, so it's currently 0 right now. We'll try to take some my token MTK in our account. Okay, so let's say I want 500 MTKs in my wallet. So this will open this MetaMask extension or a pop-up page, you can say, which will say that you will receive 500 tokens of MTK from this contract address. This is the contract that we have deployed. Okay, this time it is deployed, and yeah, this is the network, Sepolia network. As we mentioned in the previous video, it's a testnet, and the request is coming from this URL. Okay, अभी के लिए local है इसलिए, and we are interacting with this contact address. So yeah, let's confirm this payment. And we'll say okay, transaction has been sent. We are waiting for the confirmation. You can see that transaction is being made. Once it gets confirmed, the amount that we mentioned will get it. Okay, so yeah, let's check the balance again. So we got 500 MTKs in our account. Okay, and also the liquidity will also get increased in this. First, पहले यहाँ पे 500 जितना ही थे, अब यहाँ पे 1000 जितना कुछ हो गया. Okay. So yeah, that's what mint tokens means. You can mint some tokens. Okay, like actually get some tokens. So you will also get 500, and the liquidity will also get increased of our token. Okay. Now let's try to burn some tokens. So burn some tokens means that okay, I don't want these token anymore. I'll just sell it. Right now we are not selling it, we are just burning it. Okay. So I'll say okay, burn this. We'll get this pop-up again, and yeah, okay, minus 300 from your account, and yeah, send it. It will again wait for the confirmation. It's going in. So yeah, burn successful. And now if you check out balance, it will reduce to 200, and the pool, so sorry, the liquidity is also been reduced. So yeah, that's a preview of what we made today. If we talk about the code, that's a pretty small code, because for making your own contract in Ethereum blockchain, you can use ERC-20 to make things go easier. Okay, it is a contract which is provided by Open Zeppelin GitHub. Okay, this is the GitHub repository for it. I'll link it down. So yeah, it provides a ERC20.sol file that that basically gives you some function to make your token making process easier. Okay, so we'll make a constructor over here which lets you create your token, initialize your token. We'll pass the name and symbol of the token, and it has a mint function which lets you add some amount of tokens or the currency that you have made into your wallet, not wallet, your account. So yeah, mint message sender. Now the first argument is whom you wanna send to. Okay, whom you wanna send to. You send this much amount of tokens to me. Now message.sender here refers to the contract address. Okay, contract address. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and this two line just makes our token. It does have a big function behind the scenes. If you want to read it, you can go to this GitHub repository, or you can go to this docs. Amazing doc. You will get to know A to Z about how to make your own token using ERC-20 and also how the background works. Okay, so yeah, there's this mint function that we created to add tokens to a particular account. Okay, it basically does what we did above. It takes the address to whom do we have to send this contract and the amount of tokens that we have to send. And there's this burn function that lets you, burn some tokens, basically extract from it. So yeah, these two functions are pre-made in this ERC-20 contract from the library that we imported. And these are to getter functions to get the balance of the user, how much token does it have, and this is the getInfo function that shows you the information about the token, the name, symbol, and token supply right now. So yeah, let me show you something interesting. What we did today is, we used to give RPC URL and while calling the contract or deploying it to it. So here we have used something called here we have took the URL from, you can say, basically API provided by MetaMask developer tools, and I'm not quite sure what happens here, but it creates an endpoint for you to interact with, to make your functions work, so that wherever you have deployed your contract or wherever your front end is, you can hit this endpoint and make your transactions work. Okay, I hope you get the idea. So yeah, you can just you'll come here. Okay, you'll come here and you'll make your account over here, and also you'll have to connect your wallet over here. Then you can just go to these API keys. You'll already have one. You can configure it, and you can say that no. Yeah, Infura RPC. Okay, RPC is one of the communication mode like IP and HTTP. So yeah, it's one of the ways of talking to the computer, just like HTTP. So yeah, in Infura RPC you can come and you can get your own endpoint for whatever network you are trying to make. I'm here trying to make a Ethereum Sepolia testnet. So yeah, I'll just check this, and yeah, it will show in your active endpoints, and this will give you an endpoint that you can hit. Okay, that you can hit and use in your front end. That's what I learned. Okay, you can then hit that URL which I have provided in this .env. I can't show you currently that because it has my private key of this wallet that I showed you. Okay, it has the private key of this wallet, so I can't show you that. So yeah, RPC URL में ये वाला endpoint चला जाएगा अपना instead of that local URL, and the contract address will remain same. Okay, contract address will remain same. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's what we did today. We learned what is ERC-20 and how we can make our own tokens using it, and how we can connect it to our front end and make transaction with it. In the next video, we'll learn more about our own tokens, how to make AMMs, which is basically a logic or an infrastructure, you can say, to control the liquidity pool. For those who don't know what liquidity pool is, please check out and search it out if you want to know. I'll सीधा बोल दूँ तो it's a bank which stores your money, not your money, everyone's money, and it does some calculation to calculate the price of the currency or a token. Yeah, we'll get into it in the next videos. Stick together, learn more.